In this video, I'll guide you through how to get your Supabase Anon Key. Whether you're just getting started with Supabase or looking to integrate it into your next project, knowing how to access your Anon Key is essential. So let's dive in and get started with this straightforward process. First, you're going to want to head over to supabase.com. If you haven't bookmarked it yet, just type it into your browser's address bar and you'll be directed to their homepage. Supabase is an open source alternative to Firebase, offering a backend as a service that helps developers build applications quickly and efficiently. Once you're on the homepage, you'll need to log in. If you don't have an account already, you'll need to create one. Once logged in, you'll be taken to your dashboard. Here, you should see a list of your projects if you've already created any. If not, you'll need to set up a new project before proceeding. To do this, simply follow the prompts to create a new project. For those with existing projects, find the specific project you want to access the Anon key for. Next to your project's name, you should see three dots, often referred to as the More Options menu. Click on these three dots to reveal a drop-down menu. From the drop-down, you'll want to click on Settings. This will take you to the settings page of your project, where you can manage various configurations and details about your project. The settings page is your control center for managing your project's environment and essential features. Now that you're on the settings page, look for the section labeled API Keys. This is where all the keys related to your project are stored, including the Anon key. Click on API Keys, and it will expand to show you the different types of keys available. Supabase uses these keys to manage access and permissions for your projects, so understanding each type is crucial for correctly setting up your application. In the API Keys section, you'll see an option for Legacy Anon, Service, Role API Keys. Click on this option. Although the word legacy might imply that these keys are outdated, they are still widely used for many applications, especially when setting up public access or testing environments. Once you've clicked on Legacy Anon, Service, Role API Keys, you should see a key labeled Anon Public. This is the key you're looking for. It's used for client-side operations that don't require elevated privileges, perfect for public access scenarios. Next to this key, there is a Copy button. Simply click Copy to copy the Anon key to your clipboard. And that's it. You now have your Supabase Anon key ready to be used in your project. Remember, this key is meant for public access, so handle it with care to ensure your application remains secure. Always be mindful of where and how you share this key, especially if you're working in a collaborative environment. Keep it safe and only share it with trusted sources. Thank you for watching this guide on how to get your Supabase Anon key. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to leave a comment below and I'll be happy to help. Happy coding and see you in the next video.